going, guys? I'm at the location I'm gonna fish at for today. This is a creek I've been to before, a bit upstream. So right now I went a little bit downstream, closer to where it connects to the river, and I'm really hoping there's gonna be smallmouth in here. It's a pretty small creek, but we're close. Like I said, we're close to the river, so hopefully come across a few of them. If not, there's largemouth and maybe even spotted bass in here. I've come across largemouth way upstream and just never fished this part, so I really wanted to try it. Kind of looks like people have been here before, so hopefully it's not too pressured, but we'll see. And it's been a really weird spring, so it started off kind of pretty dry, just getting a lot of like 40, 50, 60 degree temperatures, and that's kind of the way it's been up until May. Like now, it's like mid-May right now, so it all of a sudden just turned into summery 80-degree weather. So we didn't really have an in-between nice springtime with 70s. It's all either been too cold. I mean, it snowed April 20th, so it's been weird. I would say at the end of this week, probably could start doing some topwater stuff, which I've never done before and never caught a fish on anything topwater, so that'll be good to try out. But I'm not gonna do that right now just yet. But yeah, see what we come across. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna start off with this yellow crick hopper, Rebel crick hopper, and we'll see what happens. Oh man, my drag is set way too loose. I had something. Oh, well. I got a believe. Ow. Okay. Yep. Not doing that. Alright, I don't know what kind of fish this is. I need help identifying it. It doesn't look like a green sunfish. Might be a red breast, baby one. That creek hopper was really hard to get out. Who? Wait, I have a fish. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, everybody. Oh no. I just had like the world record smallest smallmouth potentially. That was cool. All right, as you guys can see, I am not in like a crazy spot here. I mean, it's still pretty out here, but I'm near a major roadway and there are cars everywhere and it's not quiet. All right, I got something. Bluegill. Hey. nice little bluegill. Oh. So far I'm finding bluegill. Oh, there's a smallmouth, I think. Alright, so far I'm finding bluegill, I think red breasts, and then I've seen a bunch of carp and smallmouth. Got something. Okay, see this right here? I'll take it back. These are, I think these are long ears. Definitely not green sunfish. So that's a new species for me. Whatever it is, if it's a long ear or a red breast, I think it's a long ear. I believe this is a bluegill. Can't even put my finger in it. Bluegill. Right there. Alright. Okay, I think these are long ears. If I'm wrong, somebody correct me. They could be red breast. Long ears or red breast. I don't know which one. Man, what just... Ah, there we go. Okay. Green sunfish. Well, at least we're catching panfish of different kinds. Got something. Are you kidding me? Little tiny green sunfish. Look how pretty that is. I'm gonna throw them over here. Alright, I got 20 seconds left on my SD card. I didn't think to record because I wasn't gonna catch anything, but I caught a big rock bass. That's awesome.